Friends, good evening everyone. My name is Ganan from English with Village Vlog. So guys, as you know that I always make video to guide you, to make you fluent in English and to increase you, ignite your uh, desire to learn this language. So guys, it's true that practice makes a man perfect. So yes, so you must stick to your decision to learn this language and say to you that I will never ever give up uh, like learning in English. I will definitely learn this language anyhow. You should be motivated, guys. Lots of people are learning English nowadays and they are able to speak little bit, but you think that I can't speak English, I'm not improving. But guys, literally you don't have any idea that yes, you are improving inside. Your mind is absorbing this language. You must have observed that sometime you start speaking by yourself without any thinking. So just because of what? Just because of you have listened to people, you have observed that of sentences. That is why you are able to speak. So just keep patient and stick to your decision. You will be able to speak English, guys. And if I talk about something here that you must be confused watching so many million channel on YouTube, that some people are teaching idioms, some people are teaching vocabs, advanced structure, this idiom, that phrase, and also they talk about pronunciation, they talk about your modulation and so many things. So that time you must be thinking that oh my god, I have to go through this trick, this practice. It's a hard nut to crack, guys. It's like a hocus focus. Don't believe in this. Just believe in you and just like learn basic things. Suppose English is divided into so many parts like business English and professional English, informal English. So yeah, you can't go through like all the thing. Like suppose I'm able to speak English, I can you can see there is no fear, there is no doubt, and I'm totally good at like grammar and I'm totally good at speaking. Still I can't speak everything, guys. So don't expect me that I'm going to talk about like medical sector, and I'm going to talk about business. How can I talk about on business, because I don't have any idea. So you don't make yourself confused that I have to learn so many bunch of vocab, bunch of idioms, bunch of this thing, that. No, you don't need to do anything. Everything will come to you. First thing first, just sharp your tongue, sharp your mind. How? You can do it by speaking little bit. You can do it by observing this language. Don't run after so many things at the same time, because sometimes we just feel that no, I have to go through this advanced vocab, because as soon as we just open our YouTube and we can see lots of idioms videos and advanced vocab videos and like so many things, and they also claim that if you learn this idiom you will sound like a native. No, guys, don't run after those things, because we are YouTubers, so we have to make such kind of videos, because we don't have lots of content to upload. So that is why we just find minor difference between this and that, and I just teach you and you just feel bored that oh my god, yeah, really I can't use this. Suppose some people say you can't use purchase word, some people say you can't use buy a word. If you are buying any expensive things, so you just use buy, and if you are purchasing any cheapest thing, so you just say purchase. What is this? You can use, guys. It's not like that. Even I listen to native speaker, they laugh when they say this thing, that when they hear this thing that yeah, I also was a number of Indian YouTubers, and they say that yeah, really, you should not do this, you should not do that. But they say that, see guys, this is our native language, so we know, we use all the time basic word, we use all the time this thing. So the in India, people don't even know that what they are teaching. They are mixing written English, spoken English, and they make you confused, guys. So I must tell you that don't believe in so much thing, and just wherever you are, just start speaking, start doing practice, and just go little by little. Of course you will see the progress into you after some time. Yeah, there was a time when I was not able to speak, but see, I stick to my this decision, and my this decision brought me here, and I am speaking in English in front of you here, like without any fear, without any like signage. So guys, it happens, but yeah, you have to keep patient. It doesn't happen over the night. So just believe in you guys, definitely you will progress. And I also know that some of you don't get time, some of you are from village areas, some of you just like totally obsessed with your so much work. And yes, it is true guys, I'm also one of you guys. Even when I started learning English, so I didn't have any idea what I have to speak and where should I go, whether should I hire any teacher or institute. So guys, I'm telling you, don't hire any teacher and institute, because nowadays you have like this smart mobile, so you can take advantage of this smart mobile. Because earlier it was harder to crack to like become fluent English, because we couldn't find any specific word, a specific sentence in our dictionary. But here you can search on mobile anything, because whenever you need, if you have any doubt, so you can go through Google and go through that YouTube channel, because here you can get your solution of your question. You will definitely find the answer of your question, because yes, it's a totally easy guys, and you don't need to hire any teacher and an institute. You don't have to waste your time, money, and just believe in you. Of course, definitely you can do. If I can do, so why can't you do? So it's like a mindset that people say that, yeah, no, you have to hire any teacher, because when I speak, so I just make mistake, and just because of this like people just go through teacher and institute. But I think it's not like that, because once you start speaking, then you observe that yeah, it's like a piece of cake for me. It's not hard too much. So yeah, that is why I just get advise you in my every video that you can do it by yourself. You don't need to go here and there, and just utilize your time wherever you are. Just take 10 minutes, 20 minutes every day for you. You will be able to do guys. So I hope you must have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe guys. Definitely you will grow soon. Thank you.